Hi, and I'm Executive Chef Amedeo Vallati, and welcome to another edition of Cooking in the Alpine. Today we're going to be doing the octopus salad, one of our feature salad dishes up at Whitehorn. And I'll take it from here, we'll give it to David.
Okay, so like Chef Amedeo said, we're cooking today classic dish from Galicia. Galicia is a small place in Spain on the northwest Atlantic coast. So we got some octopus tentacle here. When we buying octopus, we want to make sure it's nice and fresh. A few tips to make sure this octopus is nice and tender. We're gonna freeze it. Once we thaw it and clean it, we're gonna make sure like these parts here are like nice and clean. We're gonna tenderize it. So this one is a small tentacle, so it shouldn't take like a big hammer to do this. So we're just gonna use this part of the knife. We give it a few beatings. The bigger the octopus, the more beating. After it's clean, rinsed, and beaten, so we put it in the stock pot. Okay, so here we have boiling water. I'm gonna put some aromatics like carrots, celery, some bay leaves, chili flakes. Throw in some lemon, cover this so it boils again. Okay, so once our water is boiling, we're gonna choke the octopus. By choking, I mean we're gonna dip it one time. Don't let go. Bring it. One more time. We do this 3 times. So what it does, if you're cooking a whole octopus, it will keep the tentacles from crawling with each other. 3rd time, you just let go. You're gonna simmer for about half an hour to 40 minutes. And by doing this, we're gonna leave the skin of the octopus attached to the octopus. And we're gonna cook it until it's just tender, but no rubbery, almost like a al dente pasta filling. So after our octopus is been in the pot for about like 45 minutes to half an hour, check it's nice and tender. You want to be able to slide a knife right through. Like that, and now we're gonna rest it on the side, and we're gonna get it ready for grilling. So now in the same octopus water, we have cooked some potatoes, just to keep the flavor from the octopus. Important tip: I didn't put any salt in the water because salt is not good for octopus. Actually makes it tougher, and the octopus is naturally very salty, so you don't need any salt in the water at this point. So once these potatoes are cooked, proceed to pull them out, let them cool, and peel them. For grilling marinade, I'm gonna use a little bit of soy sauce. Honey. Stir Okay, so now we have our octopus, partly cold now. We toss it into this marinade we just made. And what this does, the honey will create a crust, kind of like a caramel filling outside the octopus. Just try it on the fry. Okay, so after art, the octopus is nice and crispy. I'm gonna take it off the heat. At home you can use a fry pan for this process. Now we're gonna proceed to building the salad. Okay, so here I have peeled my potato after it's cooked. I'm just gonna slice it like so, about half-centimeter slices. Try to keep them whole if you can. Now you don't need to do this part, but at Whitehorn Bistro, just for presentation, we cut molds. Okay, just like that. Okay, cool. So now we got our potatoes, our octopus, and I'm gonna dress these potatoes with a little bit of onions, also olive oil, salt, pepper. We're gonna slice. Just gently. And now we're ready to bake. Here are potatoes. Slices, one potato, one piece of octopus. Now we're gonna dress it with lots of smoked paprika. More olive oil. Gonna color the plate with some tomatoes, fresh arugula, and there you have it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this segment of Cooking in the Alpine. This is the final dish with Executive Sous Chef David, and we'll see you on our next episode.